Hi, it's Dr. Stephen Horowitz from Village Chiropractic and Healing Arts Center. And here's a quick health tip for you. If you're feeling tired, stiff, or even getting headaches, you might just be dehydrated. You see, your body's 60% water and it fuels everything. It keeps your joints moving smoothly, helps your muscles recover faster, supports your discs and spine, boosts energy and focus, aids in digestion and flushes toxins, and even helps your skin look better. And in this heat, you're losing water all day, whether you realize it or not. Simple rule: drink half of your body weight in ounces of water daily, and even more if you're active. Before the next coffee, consider grabbing water first. Stay hydrated, stay mobile, stay healthy.